How to remix snaps on Snapchat. Open Snapchat and just on this camera screen, you just have to tap on the two cards like icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you'll be taken to this memory page where you can select any snap that you want to make remix snaps on Snapchat. Just tap and hold a snap, and here you can see more option. Tap on it. If you don't find the option of remix a snap here, just go back from here, open the snap, and tap on three dots at the upper right corner of the screen. Now here you can easily find out the option of remix a snap. Tap on it, and then you'll get access to this page where you can customize and remix your snaps. You can add music, you can turn on the flash and add another picture. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.